Hello everybody, and welcome to today's video where we'll be walking you through the process of installing RetroArch on your Android device. I'm going to be demonstrating this on my Android phone, so let's jump right into it. The first step is to open up the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type RetroArch and look up the official RetroArch app. Once you finally simply tap on the install, and after the installation is complete, you can launch the app. Remember to grant any necessary permissions. Now let's get into the fun part. I'm going to show you how to load a core, and in my case I'll be playing an SNES game. Scroll through the list of available cores until you find the SNES core and download the relevant ones. You're also going to want to check out the content downloader feature. RetroArch offers a selection of games you can download directly within the app. It's a treasure trove of preloaded games for various consoles. This is great if you want to quickly dive into some classic gaming action without having to go and hunt down ROMs online. One title that caught my eye is Super Boss Gaiden, a Japanese gem that's tons of fun. To get it, simply locate Super Boss Gaiden Japan in the SNES section and click to download it. Remember, the download process might take a moment depending on your internet's connection. Inside the online updater, you'll find a range of options to update various aspects of RetroArch. Let's take a look at some of these important updates you might want to consider. Core info files. These updates improve the accuracy and compatibility of game cores. By updating core info files, you ensure that your emulated games run as smoothly as possible. Updating assets can enhance the visual and audio quality of your games. It's a subtle touch that can make a big difference in your overall gaming experience. Controller profiles. Updates ensures that your controller settings are optimized for different games and consoles. It's all about finding that sweet spot for precious controls. Sheets and overlays. If you're a fan of customization, updating sheets and overlays can give your gaming screen a fresh and personalized look. Try out different overlays to match the nostalgia of each console. Keeping the database updated improves the accuracy of your game library's information, making it easier to navigate and find your favorite titles. While the GLSL shaders can enhance the graphics of your game by applying various visual effects, updating shaders can bring a modern touch to classic games. With the Super Boss Gaiden downloaded, it will be available in your downloads folder. Just head to the load content section. Inside the ROM version folder, you'll find a copy of Super Boss Gaiden. Remember, exploring the content downloader can introduce you to all sorts of new games and experiences you might not have tried before. It's a fantastic feature that makes RetroArch even more versatile and enjoyable. Before we conclude, let's address some important aspects of responsibility and ethical usage when it comes to RetroArch and gaming content. Remember that game ROMs are often protected by copyright laws. Downloading or sharing copyrighted games without proper authorization is illegal and can have serious consequences. Ensure you have the legal right to access the game you're playing. When using RetroArch Online Updater, only download content from official and trusted sources. Avoid third-party websites that may offer unauthorized content or pose security risk. RetroArch is built on community contributions and open source principles. Respect the efforts of developers and use the software in line with its intended purpose and terms of use. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, consider showing your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing. Let's keep the gaming experience enjoyable, respectful, and lawful for everyone.